Story 2 of chapter 1, the manners of kings. One of the kings of Khorasan had a vision in a dream of Sultan Mahmud 100 years after his death. His whole person appeared to have been dissolved and turned to dust, except his eyes, which were revolving in their orbits and looking about. All the sages were unable to give an interpretation, except a dervish made his salutation and said, "He is still looking amazed how his kingdom belongs to others. Many famous men have been buried underground, of whose existence on earth not a trace has remained. And that old corpse, which had been surrendered to the earth, was consumed by the soil, that not a bone remains. The glorious name of Nushirvan survives in good repute, although much time elapsed since he passed away. Do good, O man, and consider life as a good fortune, the more so as when a shout is raised, a man exists no more." And so the eyes are what remains, and those who have sight may have sight of other people's sight, right? But perhaps the whole thing was the legacy of the person's perception.